It's very easy to find out which foods are healthier. Now your search is finished because here are 25 healthy and tasty foods. Stay tuned. Watch till end. Hit subscribe button for more videos. 1. Apples. Apples are high in fiber, nutrient C, and various cell reinforcements. They are very filling and make the ideal tidbit in the event that you get yourself hungry between dinners. 2. Avocados. Avocados are not quite the same as most natural products since they are stacked with solid fats rather than carbs. In addition to the fact that they are velvety and delicious, high in fiber, potassium, and nutrient C. 3. Bananas. Bananas are among the world's best wellsprings of potassium. They're additionally high in nutrient B6 and fiber, just as helpful and versatile. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are delectable as well as among the most remarkable wellsprings of cell reinforcements on the planet. 5. Oranges. Oranges are notable for their nutrient C content. Additionally, they're high in fiber and cancer prevention agents. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are profoundly nutritious and low in both carbs and calories. They are stacked with nutrient C, fiber, and manganese and are seemingly among the tastiest nourishments in presence. Other sound organic products. Other well-being foods grown from the ground incorporate fruits, grapes, grapefruit, kiwi fruit, lemons, mango, melons, olives, peaches, pears, pineapples, plums, and raspberries. 7. Eggs. Eggs are among the most nutritious nourishments on Earth. They were recently derided for being high in cholesterol, yet new investigations show that they're impeccably protected and sound. 8. Lean hamburger. Lean hamburger is among the best wellsprings of protein in presence and stacked with profoundly bioavailable iron. Picking the greasy cuts is fine in case you're on a low-carb diet. 9. Chicken bosoms. Chicken bosom is low in fat and calories, however amazingly high in protein. It's an incredible wellspring of numerous supplements. Once more, don't hesitate to eat fattier cuts of chicken in case you're not eating that numerous carbs. 10. Sheep. Sheep are typically grass took care of, and their meat will in general be high in omega-3 unsaturated fats. 11. Nuts and seeds. Regardless of being high in fat and calories, nuts and seeds may assist you with getting more fit. These nourishments are crunchy, filling, and stacked with significant supplements that numerous individuals don't get enough of, including magnesium and nutrient E. 11. Almonds. Almonds are a well-known nut stacked with nutrient E, cancer prevention agents, magnesium, and fiber. Studies show that almonds can assist you with shedding pounds and improve metabolic well-being. 12. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the most supplement-thick nourishments on Earth. A solitary ounce 28 grams packs 11 grams of fiber and critical measures of magnesium, manganese, calcium, and different supplements. 13. Coconuts. Coconuts are stacked with fiber and incredible unsaturated fats called medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs). 14. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are delectable. They're a lot higher in monounsaturated fats and lower in omega-6 unsaturated fats than most different nuts. 15. Pecans. Pecans are exceptionally nutritious and stacked with fiber and different nutrients and minerals. 16. Asparagus. Asparagus is a famous vegetable. It's low in both carbs and calories, however stacked with nutrient K. 17. Ringer peppers. Ringer peppers come in a few hues, including red, yellow, and green. They're crunchy and sweet, just as an incredible wellspring of cancer prevention agents and nutrient C. 18. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that preferences extraordinary both crude and cooked. It's an incredible wellspring of fiber and nutrients C and K and contains a good measure of protein contrasted and different vegetables. 19. Carrots. Carrots are a famous root vegetable. They are incredibly crunchy and stacked with supplements like fiber and nutrient K. Carrots are likewise high in carotene cell reinforcements, which have various advantages. 20. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an exceptionally flexible cruciferous vegetable. It very well may be utilized to make a huge number of solid dishes, and furthermore tastes great all alone. 21. Cucumber. Cucumbers are one of the world's most well-known vegetables. They're low in both carbs and calories, comprising for the most part of water. In any case, they contain various supplements in limited quantities, including nutrient K. 22. Garlic. Garlic is amazingly sound. It contains bioactive organosulfur exacerbates that have groundbreaking natural impacts, including improved invulnerable capacity. 23. Kale. Kale has become progressively well known on the grounds that it's unimaginably high in fiber, nutrients C and K, and various different supplements. It adds a fantastic smash to plates of mixed greens and different dishes. 24. Onions. Onions have a solid flavor and are famous in numerous plans. They contain various bioactive mixes accepted to have medical advantages. 25. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are typically sorted as a vegetable, in spite of the fact that they are in fact a natural product. They are delectable and stacked with supplements like potassium and nutrient C. If you like this video, make sure you hit like button and share your thoughts in comment box. Thank you for watching.